Welcome friends. Today we will know the difference between constructor and ngOnInit in Angular. A constructor is a TypeScript feature used to initialize the TypeScript classes, and constructor should be mostly used for dependency injection or initialization of some variables inside the class. On the other hand, ngOnInit is a callback method that is invoked immediately after the default change detector has checked the directive data bound properties for the first time. So when an Angular component is instantiated, it goes through a life cycle process where first it calls the ngOnChange method whenever there is any change detected in the component by the component, and the first time ngOnChange is called, after that ngOnInit is called. So just to demonstrate ngOnInit and constructor, I have just created a simple application here which has a component.ts where we have input field. Whenever I put any input value on this input field, it calls the checks component to print the value on the screen. It prints only on the alternate values. So like if I print V here, it won't print, but when I print VI, it prints. E, it doesn't print, but next one it prints. So if you see here, we can see when it prints the constructor value, it prints the value which was already given to the value. So it prints dummy. But when it calls to onInit, it prints the value given to it by its parent, the value which we have put in the input and what passed to it using the parameter. So by this, we can easily see that constructor will not have the updated value passed by the parent, but init will have the updated value passed by the parent because the change detection runs after the constructor has been run. And one thing to notice is, like, it is not necessary to put any onInit or constructor in a component. You can create a component easily without any constructor or ngOnInit. This application will also work fine. Yeah, so that's it for now. Thank you.